In this tutorial, we are going to learn something called as decision making. Now, decision making, we do this every day in our life. For example, you want to make a decision whether to sleep or not to sleep. So there are many parameters which are changing parameters, for example, time, which can be considered while taking decision to sleep or not to sleep. Now, how will you frame this? If, for example, if time is over 10 p.m., you will sleep, else you won't sleep. This is how we framed this example in pure English. Now let's see how we can frame it in C programming language. This time we will write the code first and I will explain it later. So let's begin. Hash include stdio.h int main curly braces return 0. Now int time var is equal to 0. Printf enter the time, current time, semicolon. Scanf, here time is an integer data type, so %d comma ampersand time var. So now if time var is greater than 22, we are using 24 time format, curly braces, printf I will sleep or I should sleep now, semicolon. Else, and printf I will not sleep now, or I should not sleep now, anything would go, semicolon. Now let's read the program. If time var or if time is greater than 22 hours, printf I should sleep now, else I should not sleep now, return 0. Let's now try and run it. Now as you can see, it's asking the current time, so we'll enter 23. I should sleep now. Okay. So what's just happened? In this example, we asked time as a parameter from the user and we decided whether to sleep or not to sleep with the help of if-else statement. We have used the conditional operator. This is a conditional operator, greater than conditional operator, which checks the left value is greater than the right value or not. If the left value is greater than right value, then it will return, it will be true. And if the left value is smaller than right value and we have used greater than sign, then it will return false. And what this if condition does, this checks whether the condition whatever we have put here it's true or not. If everything returns true, then it will enter here in this these curly braces and print the statement. Else if this is not true, this is false, then it will skip this entire part and it will go to this part in this curly braces and it will print I should not sleep now. Let's just run it one more time and just see. We will put here 20. Now you can see I should not sleep now. So let's just take another example of checking whether a number is even or odd. Now we will take an integer number and check whether the number is even or odd. So let's just cut up till here and we will rename this variable number and we'll put here number. Now if number modulus 2 is exactly equal to 0, printf the %d is e, and the number %d is even, and here comma number. Else printf the number %d is odd, comma number. So we haven't changed the message. Enter any integer number. Let's just rerun this. Enter any integer number. Here we will put 10. The number 10 is even. So as you can see, we have used the modulus operator. This operator is used to give the remainder of the division, that is number divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, then the number is even. We know that. So if the number divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it will print that the number is even. Else it will print that the number is odd. Now if you don't have the else part, you can write the if statement alone, and you can also use an if statement within an else statement. It would be like if this condition is true, else if this condition is true, else if this condition is true. It can repeat endlessly. Let me show you by modifying the same program a little bit. Now what we will do is we will check whether number is 0 or a number is positive or a number is negative. So how we will write it? If the number is 0, number is exactly equal to 0, then the number is 0. Else if number is greater than 0, we will write the number is positive, and then we will just copy this part and paste it here, and we will write else if the number is less than 0, the number is negative. Now let's just try this. Enter an integer number 10. The number 10 is positive. So in this tutorial we learned how to make decisions using if-else statement. I hope you understand it. It is an important part, because using this you can make your program a little bit more functional. It's like your program can make decisions. So that's it for this tutorial. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you later.